What's going on, guys? Clayton here at Two-Way Direct with you again. Today we're going to be looking at the Kenwood NX-1300 and how to take out its battery. Now, like most Kenwoods, it does have a very specific way that you're going to need to remove the battery. It can be a little confusing at first, but once you get it down, it's quite easy. So the first thing you're going to do is lift the latch that's right here. Generally speaking, it's a lot easier to do if you use your index finger. Push down, and the battery pops out. Again, latch is right here, push in. To attach the battery, all you have to do is slide in, pop in. Make sure to give us a call at 888-742-5893 or visit our website at twowaydirect.com and take a look at one of these for yourself. We look forward to hearing from you soon.